Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and this is my first post using the Merry and Bright kit from Citrus Twist. And here are the cutouts that you can get from their website. It's in the digital files section, and I will have a link below so you can check them out. And I also have some journaling cards also from the digital collection and some of the traveler's notebook papers, and of course a lot of items from the kit, some from the October kit, and some of the holiday stamps. And I'm gonna have the links below. You can also watch the last video I posted, which is a unboxing of all the cool items they sent me. And today I'm gonna work on day 16, and like many of these pages that I've been posting lately, I have a lot of photos for one day. And I'm going to start simple with just a little photo of Charlotte, kind of doing a snow angel, and some snow we made using shaving cream and baking soda. And it smells really good, and it was really soft. It was a cool activity that they did at my daughter's school, which was in the page I did before, because it was the day before. And I'm going to keep this part really simple. I like how the blue from the table, it's similar to the blue on some of the leaves. It's not a lot, but it's enough that kind of makes Charlotte pop. And also the red is the same color as Charlotte, so I thought that it looked really cool. And the snow kiss phrase is from one of the cutout pages. And here I'm gonna look through the cards from the digital kits, and these are all holiday version, and there are many good ones that will fit with these pages, especially the reds, because they will pop and also balance really well with the picture I showed of Charlotte. And also my daughter was wearing black, and I could use green too. And I love these tags, they are so cool. I was thinking about maybe stapling one to pattern paper, but I kept looking for cards and I found the perfect one. And I almost did that thing that I do where I find a really good card and then I keep overthinking it, and sometimes I grab three to figure out which one is the best. But I just figured that the black one worked out perfectly. It matched the black from the picture with Charlotte and my daughter's photo. The 4x6 card where I put the photo is also from the digital collection, and I cut the photo of Charlotte with a Lawn Fawn stitch die. And since this day was Ugly Sweater Day, I actually renamed it to, I think it was Cozy Sweater Day. And I used these alphas, which are from the October flea market finding kits. And these round ones, the gold ones, they are so pretty. It's probably one of my favorite alpha stickers ever. Not only Citrus Twist, like ever. And they have numbers. So I'm going to write Cozy Sweater Day. Because even if you wear an ugly sweater, they're always like kind of cool or quirky. I don't know, I feel that ugly is obviously the despective thing to say. And I mean, I get it. But I don't know. Could be something named like something fun though. Even like calling it tacky would be a little bit more fun than just plain ugly. And I also love these phrase stickers that came with the Merry and Bright kit. And I checked off the Merry and Bright because it was a good day. So I didn't have to check out Still Trying. But I like that card. And my plan for that card is to make a bunch of it in different colors like I usually do with my favorites, because it's a really great card. You can use this as a title like I did. You can use it to journal, or you can put a square photo inside of it. So I thought it was great. It was day 16, and I did staple later that 16. But that I don't. That looks like a keychain sort of shape. It's from the ephemera pack. Also, the Jolly and Mary, that phrase is also from the ephemera pack, and they come with these stickers, and I love them. They have hearts and stars, which are really standard shapes that you can use all the time, not even only in the holidays. So it worked out perfectly. And you can also get this pattern paper from Crate Paper. It has a bunch of foil, really pretty details. But I also saw this paper, which is from one of the Traveler Notebooks digital papers, and I thought that it was perfect for this photo. I thought about using this kit for these pages because there was a lot of gold. If you look at the photos, there's already some gold in those photos, and it's because I use I think it's called Designer Kit. So I use a design kit, sorry. And it's an app where you can doodle, you can add gold, you can journal on top of it. And I was feeling a little bit creative, so I figured that I would use it in these days. And I got a lot of photo inspiration from their Instagram page. It's from the same people that do A Beautiful Mess and A Color Story, and I love their photos. They always have beautiful creative photos, and I don't know, I love this day because I got such happy cozy photos. It was a little bit of everything, like a stand there and smile photo, some photos making cocoa, playing in the snow, and I have so many photos because I suffer from that. And my plan for this year was actually to do more collages like this for 2020, and I failed. So I'm gonna talk myself again. I'm gonna have a talk with self and tell self, you need to stop taking so many photos, and at least choosing less photos, because my problem is also that I keep photos that are kind of similar. And maybe I don't need them all, but I love them all. So I kind of do need them. I know, it doesn't make sense. And I just wanted to add one little word, a little bit of gold, bring it into this little layout to mirror the gold on the photos. And here I wanted to write snow and cocoa, because it was the day about snow and cocoa. And again, any excuse to use this super cute golden alpha stickers. And instead of punching holes or putting it in a page protector, or making a page protector that was 5 by 6.5, I just added those. I think it's called. It's from Citrus Twist. It's a tab that has the holes pre-punch, and it has a little adhesive strip, so you can just add it and then you don't have to punch holes. So it's a lot easier than either making a new page protector or punching holes. And I don't know, I don't like to punch. Maybe on this side I wouldn't mind it that much, but on the other side I would be punching a little bit of the holes. So I prefer this way, and I've been using it a lot lately. You've probably seen it in my other videos, and I had it before I got my box, and luckily I got a few extra in my box. So, and I'm going to be a guest designer using this kit for the months of October and November, so stay tuned for more projects using this kit. This kit is still available, and of course all the digital items too. And I didn't even have to cut them by hand because I use my Silhouette. And I'm going to keep adding. I'm going to use a lot of this stickers, gold stickers. I'm going to use the words, and I'm going to use the little hearts and stars that when I was done with this project, I was like, oh no, you use a bunch of them. I have that thing where you don't want to use it because then you'll run out. And these cards are actually from the Flea Market Findings kit, and they work perfectly with this spread too. It was outside, and you can see the fence of our old house, which was wood, and I thought that wood grain paper looked great with it. And also I picked that phrase, that card that says sometimes the smallest things take up the most room in your heart. And I thought that it worked so well because it was about little moments, the snow cone in my hand, and my littlest child in the photo. So I thought that it was perfect for that. It's more, you could say that it's kind of a fall-ish kit, but it actually worked really well with these pages. And this is another photo that I cut a circle, and I used my Lawn Fawn stitch dies. And I added some enamel dots, and I love the gold in these enamel dots. And I have a bunch of silly photos. I also have a picture of my daughter while she was doing her school or logging in, and a photo with her sis. So I'm gonna try to fill up a few spaces with those alphas. And I know that those of you in the north who get a lot of snow are like, that's not snow, that looks like someone spilled sugar on the floor. But to us, that's good for us. This is the kind, the amount of snow that I'm comfortable with. I do like it, but I hate like shoveling snow. So the less I get, the better. This is where less is more. The only place, not scrapbooking, the snow, because I keep adding and adding, and I never know where to stop. And I took a lot of moving photos too, and those are my favorite. Like in the one below that says capture, you can see, yeah. And in this one too, you can see people throwing the snowballs, and it looks so cute. And in this one, they were making a mess and making hot cocoa. And I remember this day like very vividly. I don't know why, because it was like a simple day. And that is one of the questions that I answer in the blog post where for the Citrus Twist blog about my favorite holiday things. And it's not even Christmas Day. I think that Christmas Day feels even a little bit sad, because then the whole season starts to, wind down, and it's kind of sad. But I do love these little moments. I love the crafting and the baking and the little things that we do at home. And as you can see in the photo, I had a few stars, and that is also from the design kit. And I think it's the confetti. I don't want to say that it's a filter. It's not really a filter, but you can add those stars whenever you want. And I love that washi. I can't remember who is it from, but it worked well with these photos. I think that the fact that it was snowing and my oldest was wearing black makes that green sweater pop so much. And I love that journaling card that came in the kit. It's so perfect. It's the perfect size, in my opinion, to journal by hand. Like, I love this kind of paper for journaling using my handwriting because it's like a great size, and I like lines because I can write straight. So whenever there are no lines, I just use my typewriter. I wanted to add to this photo a few more things, like it doesn't have enough, but I just wanted to add a few more enamel dots. And I love how I made that photo. I saw a tutorial of it. Well, no, I didn't saw it. I think I did. It was like a mini tutorial, and either a design kit or a beautiful mess or a color story app, and I like how it looks, so I did it quite a few times. I might do it again this year. I'm going to use my roller stamp to stamp the date. And then I remember that I haven't touched the stamps, so I'm going to use one of the stamps and stamp some snowflakes in the background of that paper so it's not too plain. And I'm going to add one of the sticker phrases on the top. And I love these. So I don't know, like I sometimes concentrate on one product, and this time it was the golden stickers. So next time it might be the stamps, which I love. And I was kind of deciding what would look good in the background, something simple and subtle. So I just use this fish and pond, I think it's called. It's from Waffle Flower, and it's pretty light, so you would see the journaling on top. And I love this card. It's perfect for the whole year. I'm going to see if they have a digital version of it, since this is a regular card from the regular card kit. So if I find it in a printable, like that's it. I'm going to print like a million of them. And here you can see a sneak peek of the last page I made. I don't have a video for that one. Then I have cozy sweater. And I have these pages. And I cut off the top of a 12 by 12 page protector. And I folded this. I think I learned that from Tashiana last year. I think it was Tashi. I saw lots of people and they all now are in the same part of the brain parting. So I don't remember that well, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned if you want to see more. And make sure you check out the kit and the printables. I will have links below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an amazing day. Bye.